In today's video, I'm going to show you how to place a test order on Shopify to make sure your checkout process is working correctly. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your email or Google account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Settings in the bottom left corner. Next, go to Payments. In the payment settings, activate the Bogus gateway or Shopify's test mode for testing transactions without charging real money. After enabling test mode, go back to your store and add a product to the cart like a normal customer would. Proceed to checkout and enter your customer details. When you reach the payment section, use the Shopify test card details provided in the payment settings or use the Bogus gateway test information. Complete the checkout process and click Pay Now or Complete Order. Once the order goes through successfully, head back to your Shopify admin and click Orders to confirm the test order appeared correctly. And that's it. You've successfully completed a Shopify test order and verified that your checkout system is working properly. Thanks for watching.